Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Turn off the ignition and remove the key before starting any work. Park on level ground and apply the parking brake for stability. Wear gloves and eye protection and keep a fire extinguisher rated ABC nearby. Gather tools now: a 10mm and 13mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Have a container ready for small bolts and fasteners so nothing gets lost. Keep a helper available for lifting the battery if it is heavy. Review the vehicle manual for any model-specific cautions before proceeding. Fold the passenger seat forward and remove the seat cushion by releasing the two latches. Move the seat forward and slide any wiring harnesses out of the way gently. You may need a 13mm socket to undo the two bolts securing the seat base. Remove the bolts and store them in your parts container for reuse. Lift the seat carefully. Battery weight is about 40 pounds, so use proper lifting technique. Locate the plastic battery cover and unclip it to expose the battery terminals and hold down clamp. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal, first using a 10mm socket to reduce short circuit risk. Loosen the nut and tuck the negative cable away to prevent accidental contact. Label cables and then disconnect the positive terminal to fully isolate the battery from the vehicle electrical system. Remove the hold-down clamp using a 13mm socket and lift the clamp clear of the battery. Carefully lift the battery straight up and out, avoiding tipping and spilling any acid. When replacing, secure terminals with 5 Nm torque and test electrical systems before reinstalling seat and trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.